The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Hyundai Ioniq 5. That's a 5-door hatchback electric vehicle. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo Clamp base roof rack system. So that system consists of the Thule WingBar Evo 135. That's 53 inches in length. Black shown here, but silver is also available. Below that, you got the Thule Clamp Evo foot pack. And below that, you've got the vehicle-specific fitting kit 145301. So overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds and a maximum crossbar spacing of 28.5 inches. That's center to center. So a great system to carry all sorts of cargo, from bikes, kayaks, cargo, and so on. This is just a quick look at this roof rack system. For more details and availability, click on the link in the description below, and that'll take you back to our website where you can view that good information. So again, this is just a quick look, but like always, thanks for watching.